In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your OneDrive account in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to close your Microsoft account and its associated services, stick with me as we walk through this process step by step. Whether you're seeking a fresh start, decluttering your online presence, or simply no longer using these services, I've got you covered. To begin, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the official Microsoft account website where you can enter your login details. Make sure you have access to the correct email and password, as you'll need these to proceed. In case you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Microsoft account. Next, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen and look for your profile icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select My Profile. This section contains all the information related to your Microsoft identity and services connected to your account, such as OneDrive. Once you're on the My Profile page, you'll need to scroll down until you locate the option that says Close Account. It might be tucked away among other settings, so take your time to find it. This is the gateway to deleting your OneDrive account and any related services you have with Microsoft. After finding the Close Account option, you'll want to click through. This will redirect you to another page dedicated to guiding you through the closure process. Parts of this process are designed to ensure that you really want to delete your account, addressing any final concerns you might have. At this stage, you'll be asked to sign in again. This extra step is for security purposes, confirming that it's indeed you intending to take this action. Once logged in, the process will continue. The next page will provide you with information regarding the implications of closing your Microsoft account, ensuring you're fully aware of what's at stake. Be sure to read this carefully. After you're ready, click Next to move forward with the deletion. And that's it. If you followed along, you've successfully initiated the process to close your OneDrive account. Keep in mind, Microsoft usually places a hold on account deletion to give users a chance to change their minds. During this period, you can cancel the deletion by simply logging back in if you think you've made a mistake. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any other questions about Microsoft services or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or check out Microsoft's support resources for more assistance.